I said I'm always the black guy, the burden of a blessing. Mirrors really be dishes when you working on reflections. Adopted to a zip code where ain't a question. Just me and Charlie Brown here, serving and collecting, right?
For this mix, I'm using two very popular Jamaican alcoholic beverages. The word for liquor in Jamaica is literally pronounced liquor. So here I'm using Campari, and I'm using Appleton Estate Special Rum. This is the gold label rum, I believe. And what I do is I add a little bit of the rum to a glass with some ice. It's very strong, so if you're not a heavy drinker, you want to use sparingly. Then I add orange juice over the top of that, and at the end I'm gonna pour some of my Campari into the orange juice. Now the Campari is what Jamaican people refer to as bitters. In Jamaica they say bitters. It's a little bit bitter, so you want to use sparingly. And then I'll stir my mixture, and voila, I've got a delicious alcoholic drink. I'm not a heavy drinker, so I drink sparingly. So if you're a lightweight like myself, use both sparingly.